The verse of the day, Revelation 21:4. He will wipe every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death, or sorrow, or crying, or pain. All these things are gone forever. What a glorious day that will be. I can't wait for that day. I'm going to have a new leg. I'm going to be able to walk with 2 legs. I can't wait for that day. But there is a catch. We have to believe this. We have to faith and believe this. We have to believe that he died on the cross for our sins. We have to believe that he was buried in the tomb for 3 days, rose again, and went up to heaven, the place where there is streets of gold. And he's coming back again someday to take us to that wonderful place in the sky. Have a great day and keep looking to the Lord.